Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Mcdonough, Georgia, which is just south of the city of Atlanta. Today we are going to preview this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home behind me. You're going to love the custom extras. I really like it, so I know you're going to like it. So let's go ahead and get it started. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Definitely make sure you leave a comment if you have any comments or questions about any house that you see on my channel, including this one. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. I'm excited to show you this home. Let's get it started. Take a look at this immaculate, well-maintained home located within the city limits of Mcdonough, Georgia, just minutes from the square in the sought-after Georgetown community. It is located approximately 30 to 40 minutes southeast of downtown Atlanta. The listing agent is Tara Houston with virtualpropertiesrealty.com. This home has it all. It has 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 1 half bath on a full finished basement, and boasts over 3,400 square feet. Nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac, the wooded backyard provides privacy and a short hike to conveniently located entertainment, shopping, and restaurants. You're going to love this home's sweeping 2-story grand foyer with hardwood flooring and an open concept floor plan with 20-foot ceilings. It features a hard-to-find, spacious owner suite on the main level with a fireplace in the sitting area. The owner's ensuite features a double vanity, separate shower, walk-in closet, and tile flooring. There's a separate office/bonus room with custom built-in cabinets on the main level. This gorgeous kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops with a cozy breakfast area. The floor of the room is spacious with access to the private deck where you can relax and enjoy your morning coffee. Upstairs, you'll find 2 oversized secondary bedrooms, a full bathroom with a combination jacuzzi, shower, and a catwalk with designer balusters leading to a large open loft/bonus area. This hidden gem has a finished basement where the entertainment continues with a custom soundproof theater room that includes a built-in granite bar, sitting area, wet bar, and cherrywood cabinetry, an enormous second family room, game area, an oversized bedroom, and a walk-in closet, and a full bathroom. It also has access to the terrace level with a white fenced-in backyard, which features a flat stone patio, a sidewalk along the width of the home, and newly planted sod. There are so many extra perks, I can't even list them all. This gorgeous home is located in the Henry County School District. Local schools include Tashaha Elementary, Mcdonough Middle, and Mcdonough High School. I'm excited to show you this amazing home. Let's start your tour. Hey friends, we're back. What did you think about this beautiful 4-bedroom, 4-bath home here in McDonough, Georgia, just south of Atlanta? I really like it. I really enjoyed the entryway, how nice it was, and I also enjoyed the basement as well as the loft. Custom throughout. Really nice job with this house. If you have any questions about this house or any other house on my channel, definitely make sure you reach out to me. I don't think this one's going to be on the market long for the price that it's listed at. So you need to act fast. I'll put my contact information up once more, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, like I said, or comments about this house or any other property on my channel, make sure you leave a comment below, and definitely make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. This is Carlton Lewis coming to you live and direct, your Atlanta real estate agent, filming in McDonough, Georgia. Hope to see you on the next video. Peace.